In today's video, I am going to survive in the jungle and I will cook anything whatever I found. So it is going to be very interesting and challenging video for me. So let's start the video. I am trying and searching to find anything edible, but I just failed. I could not be able to find anything edible. Absolutely a lottery over here. As you can see that is absolutely filled up with mangoes. There is so many mangoes and we can pick up as many as we want. So we have big advantage of last night's storm. So there is so many mangoes on the floor, so we can pick it up and choose which one can help. There you go guys, that is perfect and it can be used as food. There is another one and we have to find as many as possible because we don't have anything to eat. So there is so many. We have to also keep in mind that there is nothing wrong with these mangoes and we have to pick only edible mangoes. There is so much. Guys, I just want to make another change. I just want a bigger one because the bigger one is on the top. Well, let's just throw it and see what we got. There you go guys, so many dropped and hopefully many of them are bigger than previous what we just got earlier. And there you go guys, that is very huge big one. Look at this juicy mango guys. So let's see some others. There is so many. So job is done, I think. That is quite enough for survival. So guys, we arrange food for the survival, but we don't have any shelter to live over there. I just found a place where we can survive just right behind me. There you go guys, that's the place where we are going to survive for 24 hours. Let's see. Use for making fire, so that is quite helpful and we just have to find some of these more. That is going to be very helpful. This one too, so that is enough. If we need more, we will search out more. Time to make a stove in the jungle. So this is the best thing to make stove in the jungle. There is strong wind coming from right side to left side, so we have to keep in these things in our mind while making a stove, so we can cook our survival food without any disturbance. There you go guys, that is absolutely very good stove, ready to cook or duff. It's very simple, guys. Let's put the pan on the stove, grease up a bit. Guys, storm is very strong and the smoke of fire is everywhere and also into my eyes. I can barely see anything, but we are going to make it anyhow. So let's put onions first inside. Some other spices too. That is so hot, guys. That is so hot. I just burned my finger. Coriander, red chili powder, salt. Curry is absolutely ready. Now it's time to put mangoes into it. To be honest, I really don't know how to cook this type of recipes, but it is time for survival. We have to make anyhow. Let's see, guys, what we just got inside. Wow, guys, wow, absolutely delicious. The smell, the fragrance of that recipe is absolutely mouth-watering. Look at just. Guys, now it's time to make a bread to eat along. Now in this way it will cook very nice and quickly. One side is ready. Let's cook other side right on the coals. That's the second one. The first one burn up a little, but yeah, that is edible. Our rotis are ready, bread is ready. Now it's time to start the feast because everything is done. You see that beautiful breads. Now we have to found a table where we can eat comfortably and feel alive. That is the best place. Look at this, guys. So looks so delicious already. Now it's time to taste this special sweet recipe. Let's taste it, guys. Guys, that is so delicious. Absolutely a feast in the forest. I could not be able to express the feeling, the texture. Cheers, guys. The last bite, guys. I just saw absolutely grown up corn sticks, so I just want to see that if they are ready, we are going to cook one of them, and that is looks so delicious already. We are going to cook this right on the coils. It is very, it tastes very sweet, delicious. That is so cool, guys. Let's cook this up very quickly. It smells so sweet already. Let's taste it, guys. That is so sweet, guys. So delicious. So much nutrition in that. Hopefully we find enough energy to survive over there. Sleep over there.